Bring your video storytelling to a new level with enhanced motion graphics capabilities in the latest release of Creative Cloud. Create visualizations of data and trends in your video projects right inside the Premiere Pro timeline using data-driven motion graphics templates created in After Effects. Simply drag and drop spreadsheets to create infographics using motion graphics templates. Any updates to data are automatically updated in the infographic. Responsive design time is now available in After Effects, so you can create motion graphics that can adapt to changes in length while preserving the integrity of keyframes. And with Adobe Stock, you can find professionally designed, customizable motion graphics templates to use in Premiere Pro. Check out all this and more in our new release.
The latest release of Illustrator CC brings new features to help speed up and smooth out your workflow. For starters, you can now edit repeating objects across artboards all at the same time with Global Edit. Select the object you want to change and see that change reflected across your project. Complex color blending just got easier too, thanks to freeform gradients that let you create more photorealistic and dynamic graphics. It's all powered by Adobe Sensei to make things smooth, fast, and beautiful. Our new custom toolbar will improve your workflow. You can add, move, and group the tools you use most often to your toolbar and remove the ones you don't need. And when it comes time to finding new fonts, you don't have to leave Illustrator. Now you can preview and activate the thousands of Adobe fonts right within the app. Hover over each font to see how it looks in your design. Check out all these features and more in our new release of Adobe Illustrator CC.
With the latest release of Creative Cloud, editing audio has never been easier or more dynamic. Intelligent algorithms power our new de-reverb and de-noise effects, reducing problems and rescuing recordings with simple controls. These can also be found in the Essential Sound panel in both Audition and Premiere Pro for even easier access. With an upgraded audio engine, Audition can now play up to 128 audio tracks or record up to 32 tracks without requiring expensive hardware. The interface has been improved as well, with a new look in multitrack and new features like on-clip gain adjustments, waveform scaling, and an Add Tracks dialog to quickly manage and build large sessions. See all this and more in our latest release. Now you can mix awesome audio easier than ever. In the latest release of Premiere Pro, a new auto-ducking feature in the Essential Sound panel automatically reduces the volume of music when dialogue, sound effects, or other audio clips are detected. And you can skip a step in your audio workflow by opening Premiere Pro projects right inside Audition, directly selecting the desired sequence for import, and linking to the original audio and video files. Plus, a new Tracks panel in Audition helps you focus on the content at hand by showing or hiding audio tracks. There are differences you can see and hear. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, working with color is accessible and intuitive with the latest release of Creative Cloud video apps. New selective color grading tools in the Lumetri Color panel takes the guesswork out of curve adjustments. Accentuate or tone down color ranges in your image easily and accurately. You can also add multiple Lumetri effects to get exactly the right look. For professional workstations, the new Display Color Management feature in Premiere Pro can automatically detect what display you're using and apply the correct color transform. Check out these features and more in our latest release of Creative Cloud.
The latest release of Photoshop CC includes powerful new features to help you work even better. Get more control over your design with our improved Content-Aware Fill tool powered by Adobe Sensei. Choose which pixels to use in your fills and which to exclude. You can even create fills on separate layers. And turn shapes or text into frames with our new Frame tool. Just drag and drop images whenever you're ready and they'll automatically be resized to fit the frame. Now you can paint in a perfectly symmetrical pattern thanks to our new symmetry mode. Then you can choose from preset types like circular, radial, spiral, and mandala. Just choose your axis or axes and the number of segments. We've also made a number of user experience improvements to make Photoshop more intuitive. This includes our multiple undo function, allowing you to go back multiple steps without having to use the history panel. Just Command Z as many times as you need to get back to where you want. And you can work uninterrupted with our new auto commit feature. Your actions like crop, place, transform, and text entry will be automatically committed when you click on a new tool or layer. You don't have to hit return or check the box anymore. Now when you're using blend modes, you can see a preview of each mode on your canvas before you commit to a change. This saves you the time of having to guess and then undo if you don't like the results. Check out all this and more in our new release of Adobe Photoshop CC.
The latest release of Adobe XD brings new automation and great new features that make it even easier to design, prototype, and share user experiences for websites, mobile apps, touchscreens, and much more. Interact with your prototypes like never before. Now you can add voice interactions to create UX for smart assistants and other experiences that go beyond the screen. Spend more time designing and less time resizing for the screens and layouts you need with the new responsive resize tool. Auto-animate micro-interactions like move, scale, and blur across your artboards. Adobe XD now works with more of your favorite Creative Cloud apps. Open your files from Photoshop, Illustrator, and third-party apps such as Sketch right inside XD. Your artboards and layers stay intact for easy editing. You can also export your XD project out to After Effects for more advanced animations. With this release, you can also access dozens of plugins created by our developer community, along with UI kits, app integrations, and more, right from the XD home screen. And it integrates with more of your favorite collaboration and productivity apps, including Slack, Jira, and Microsoft Teams. XD is getting better all the time, and with the latest innovations, you're ready for whatever comes next in UX.
Lightroom CC is a cloud-based photo service for people who love photography. Edit, organize, store, and share your photos from anywhere. Start your photo editing process off right with auto adjustments. Adobe Sensei analyzes the characteristics of each photo, including light, color, and more, and automatically adjusts levels to their optimal settings. Leave it at that or stylize your photos with more enhancements. It's easy to create artistic looks with split toning and tone curve effects. And you can create custom presets on any device, even your smartphone or tablet. All of your presets and profiles will sync across desktop, mobile, and web, so you can access them anywhere. You can also fix perspective with upright, guided upright, and geometry sliders. These make it easy to straighten horizontal and vertical lines, even in photos where you can't see the horizon line. For photographers with desktop-focused workflows, we're continuing to improve Lightroom Classic CC with new features and enhanced performance. And to complement Lightroom CC and Lightroom Classic CC, there's Photoshop. With the industry standard in digital imaging, you can transform your photos into anything you can imagine. With these 3 integrated apps, you've got everything you need to make your photos extraordinary.
The latest release of the Creative Cloud video products includes exciting new tools to make your animations more dynamic and your workflows easier. With the new Characterizer feature in Adobe Character Animator CC, you can transform any portrait into a vivid animated character. Using Character Animator in Adobe Sensei, capture live facial expressions and lip sync, automatically bringing your character to life. And you can make your animations even livelier with the new Magnet tool. Your characters can throw, drop, perform, or pick up static items. Choose your best takes with the new Replay feature. Create a trigger that you can reuse live or save it for later. Adjust the length of your replay to easily fit into your scene. Use the new Mesh sculpting tools in After Effects CC to shape your artwork and define detailed, organic movements. Just place the pins where you want them. Then twist, bend, mold, and scale to bring your artwork to life in a way never before possible. It's now easier and faster to create expressions in your animations too, thanks to the updated JavaScript expression engine. With new depth passes, you can set After Effects native 3D layers into a scene and apply effects like depth of field to make them look natural. Now you can open or send projects to After Effects from other Adobe apps like Animate or XD with everything intact: layers, naming, and audio. Check out all these and more in our latest release of Creative Cloud.
The latest release of Adobe Stock features exclusive partnership content, millions of new video assets, and quick ways to find the perfect asset for your project. It's easier than ever to find exactly what you're looking for. With search powered by Adobe Sensei, you can upload an image and search for similar content, color, or composition. Create professional-looking videos with motion graphics templates in Premiere Rush CC. Our all-new, all-in-one video creation app is integrated with Adobe Stock, so you can easily access titles, transitions, animated graphics, and more. Turn numbers into stories with templates for animated infographics inside Premiere Pro. Drag and drop data into motion graphics templates to add dynamic visuals to your video projects. Changes are updated automatically in the project. Accent your presentations, web pages, and other design projects with movement. Adding video loops from Adobe Stock is an easy way to make your projects more engaging. Enjoy access to exclusive content from new partners like GoPro. Find the latest and greatest in aerial shots, time-lapse, and exciting action footage. Check out all this and more in our new release of Adobe Stock.